afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. 47,000 miles, low mileage Jaguar XF 2.2. It's a diesel, it's a premium luxury, it's a Sportbrake and estate car, it's automatic. Start-stop 2.2 diesel, one owner, one owner from new, that's what we like. 47,500 miles. 10 Jaguar main dealer services, and the CAMBELT done by Jaguar at 39,000 miles. What a car. 10 Jaguar services, 47,000 miles. CAMBELT replaced at 39. Nice Stratus grey metallic, very dark grey. Pretty looking car this, with the privacy glass. Now I can see it's got Goodyear tyres all round, so it's got some premium tyres that all match, which is great. So, front fog lamps, front park sensors, headlamp washers, daytime LED running lights. Yeah, privacy glass, keyless entry, keyless starts, because I can see the squares on the door handles. So this car will have a power tailgate, rear park sensors, you can see up underneath there. It has a reverse camera. Show you in the boot in a minute. Alloy wheels, yeah, very, very, very nice. Goodyear F1. Another Goodyear F1. Very few stone chips, as you'd expect for 47,000 miles. Got the squares on the door handles. Keyless entry. Got the black leather Meridian Hi-Fi. Fitted carpet mats, electric seats, heated seats, memory down there for the drivers, electric memory seats, leather clad multifunction steering wheel with paddle change and an electric steering column, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, reverse camera, speed limiter and cruise control. Beautiful condition, really is, I mean, you can tell. But yeah, you can tell this is one owner, low mileage car. Price, I haven't told you the price. £10,595 on a 2014. Right, if we press that button, power tailgate, load covers in there, super clean, big boot. Press the button. Goes, got a reverse camera up underneath there. Yeah, very nice this side as well. Alloys in lovely condition. We've got those Goodyear F1 tyres all round with lots of tread on. Great looking car. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than that. What a car. One owner from new. 10 Jaguar main dealer services. And it's had the CAMBELT done. No wonder it drives beautifully. Electric mirrors, heated mirrors, folding mirrors, memories down there for the electric driver's seat. Lovely leather steering wheel. 47,557 miles from new. Leather on the driver's seat, obviously. Very, very, very nice condition. It's a nice car for somebody. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There will be lots of Jaguar XFs and XF Sportbrakes. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.